Hello everyone, this is Shubham, and today I'm going to talk about the Referral and Earn program provided by ATS, the ultimate way to create a passive income. Let's get started. So our referral program is very attractive and best in industry. We provide you 30% commission on the brokerage generated by the person which you refer. And it is for infinite time. And do you know what is the best part? You don't even have to hold a Demat account with us. So what am I talking about and how it is done? Let's see now. So whenever you are ready, go to www.adityatrading.in. As soon as you log in the website, in right hand side you see a option menu. Go to Refer and Earn. As soon as you click on Refer and Earn, and you will be redirected to a referral site. Enter the mobile number and enter the OTP, which will be on your phone anytime. So as soon as you log in for the first time, every numbers here will be 0, right? So your first step should be, you should go to this account button, and here you have to enter your details. Here you have to enter your profile details like your first name, last name, your email address, and here you have to enter your payment details like your bank account number, IFSC. You also have to enter your Aadhaar card number here and PAN number. Now, when you will remember, when you are signing up or when you are entering your phone number, we didn't ask you any details, right? We have made this process very simple for you. You don't need to have a Demat account with us, right? So once it is updated, you have to go back to the home page. So as soon as you scroll down, here you will find your unique referral link. Now this is the link that you need to share with your friends. Once your friend will click on this link, it will start the Demat account opening process. By the way, if you want to know how to open a Demat account, you can go to that I button link on the top, and you can watch the other video of how to open a Demat account with ATS. You can also share this link with your other social media handles like WhatsApp, Facebook or Twitter. Once it is done, the person who will join with this link, the number of people will appear here. The total brokerage that they have generated will be here, and the commission, your 30% commission, will be calculated and will appear here. Now let me tell you once again, it is for infinite time. You can add n number of people here and it is forever. Now if you want to withdraw your commission, you can click on this withdrawal button. You can enter the amount and you can hit withdrawal. Once you hit withdrawal, it will be credited to your bank account within 24 hours. Here you can also check out all the person which have joined through your link, the details of every person, the brokerage they have generated and the commission they have generated for you. In this left hand side, you can also check out this graphical representation of the brokerage and commission. That's it. It's done. Now remember, if you have any query, you can get in touch with us at support@adityatrading.com, or you can also contact us at 766-727-3344. Thank you.